Montana. Really, get some standards. Nigga, them with some feathers. I see stuff. Cars on villains.
Nobody told me.
Tired of bitch ass niggas. Oh, no, me right. Real nigga. You wanna shout? You around your mouth. You want some search motherfucking out? This bitch, take this bitch out. This bitch out. Set this bitch out. This man right. They call me. You ain't my. Society. I told my. Now I'm the. Charger, y'all 30, mine's 40. I told you niggas.
Hey, yeah. Ooh, me.
Listen, that video right there, bro, like real talk. Now, I put the subs in here, the amps in here and shit.
Yeah.
People went talking trash, you know, SKAR this, SKAR that, William Gay ain't shit, his numbers ain't shit. So I put this song on, I was like, so I felt the vibe.
Yeah.
So I posted the video, boom.
Yeah.
Just viral as fuck because I'm the only one doing this type of shit. Like, I'm the only one got to, you know what I'm saying, my shit on the dash,
yeah.
blase. So it's like, ain't nobody making videos like that. So it's like, it's different.
You gotta make it different.
You want to talk shit, I'm like, you know, I'm bass, y'all run SKAR, but at the same time though, y'all talking too much, man. Let's enjoy the music and shut the fuck up. You know
that's what it's about, bro.
You know what I'm saying?
There's a whole lot of hating going on, and everybody like that's the only thing about our culture that I don't like is the hating. Everybody want to hate and bash other brands. It's like, bro, it's your money. Like, just like you say, look, it's your money. Spend it how you want to, and everybody just love bass. Like, that's what we do. That's what bring us together. That's the reason why we at the show.
Exactly. Because
we want to check out each other's system and all that. I ain't coming over here to hate. Man, he runs SKAR. I ain't finna go check that out. You should have stayed your ass at home. You know what I'm saying?
Exactly. You know what I'm saying? That's real shit.